Yo,
what's up?
Okay, so now we are in Legian Seminyak area. There over there is Padma Legian Beach, but this one is the Seminyak area, which is famous for bakso or gerobak biru. So this one is Legian Seminyak area. We can say that. So yeah, we will just
Try to show you around. How does it look like? The situation. There are only two sellers of shumai or bakso, something like that, because the beach is closed. So the all business from the beach are gone, but the takeaway restaurants and stuff like this is still open. So let's see how it look like. Legian beach is officially closed. There is the sign, and everything already is deserted here, but the shops and the restaurants are obviously open for takeaway. So that's how it look like. Because this is our busy street, there is the Seminyak hotel. Hotels are also open, but the access to the beach is closed. And one more shot from the more far perspective. Yo, what's up? Lumpia bungkus takeaway. So obviously still, because taking food takeaway is okay, so it's no problem then. But in general it's so quiet.
I'm so lucky that I found one lumpia seller just open in the area of 66 Seminyak, and as you see, so quiet, and the beach is closed, so we are not allowed to go to the beach. But yeah, on the street some restaurants and mini market still open for takeaway, so buying food, taking away is okay.
Beautiful lumpia. So that's how it looks, the vibe over here right now. It's pretty deserted, I could say. What I can that's how it is, that's the reality. So that's the looks how is the beach. Everything is closed, you are not allowed to go inside the beach. Just walking outside the street.
And it's super hot, I'm so thirsty, and then lucky there is a one mini market open. I will just buy a drink.
Alright, we got some drinks, so we have a radler takeaway. Well, in the bottle obviously, so it's not a big deal, but everything around it's closed, unfortunately. So I cannot do the cheers facing the beach, but anyway, cheers for everyone. Radler as always. Oh, so bright. Cheers, guys. Alright, this is the Alantara Vacation Club Legian Bali, closed, and there are some people cleaning the windows in this office reception, but yeah, the restaurant, it's closed. The beach here closed. There are some people walking around, so basically that's how it look. Like I said already, it's many businesses here will be closed, because if people cannot go to the beach, it's just simply not profitable for anything to keep running here. And yeah, that's the sad reality. But the street obviously is just the street, and that's how it look like. There's some security to prevent people to go to the beach, as you see. Oh, this is the Lifeguard. Cheers, my friend. That's how it look like. So the Lifeguard even is without job. So I mean, it's like.
Alright, so I just have a little talk with the Lifeguard, and then I asked how it is, and he just said that we are just very shocked, Ibu. I mean, like, it's just happened in sudden that the beach is closed and everything is closed. And then he told me that, Ibu, all the sellers on the beach, previously they were so happy, and then many domestic tourists already coming and they've got income, but just suddenly closed. So yeah, he just said, like, even my salary is cut, Ibu. And then I asked, do you have any like help from government, from your banjar and everything? No, Ibu, there is no even I don't know, like before they've got the donation from the Banjar about rice or something, but nowadays no. So it's just like totally nothing. So yeah, even the lifeguard is also struggling, and then everyone is struggling here.
Alright, we move a little bit. This is the way by the Kamakila, something like this, the hotel. And hotel is obviously open, and there is the one warung also open for takeaway. But this is the Legian district, and there where is the gate already closed road, this is the Padma district, and unfortunately the Padma is totally closed, like 100%. They close the gate. Well, I see already somebody working there, but maybe security, because the hotels obviously, if they want, they can open, but the beach, the doggo 1 and 2 over there is the another doggo on the beach, they are alone. So basically here already Padma is closed. However, if you want to have hotel like Legian Hotel, Padma Hotel, it's open, and there is the warung open for takeaway, and some loud, very loud bike, fish and chip. So that's how it looks. Doggy. So basically we wanted to visit Erika, but it's not possible, and she have to be home for almost 3 weeks, like almost everyone who have a business on the beach. So basically Padma Hotel is open. If we want, we could go there and spend 500k for 2 of us, because that's the limit. So basically one person have to spend 250k, and you can enjoy the hotel facilities like Padma, swimming pool and everything, and this is normal by law, it's no problem with that. However, the poor Rika or 100 sellers who sell the bintang or I don't know bakso or whatever on the beach, they have to be home for 18 days, if not gonna be extended, because that's possibly can be extended again. So that's how it looks like, the situation right now. Obviously we will try to show you more and more how does it look like, but currently situation is a little bit sad. But yeah, the street obviously here is open, but for the businesses, takeaway and stuff like this, hotels, but the beach, what is on the other side, it's closed. Very deserted. Obviously, if you cannot go to the beach, not much is in this area, because this area is famous because of beach, obviously, and people who coming here, they coming to the beach, but as you see, it's nobody on the beach, and here are only the businesses, restaurants, shops. So yeah, that's how it looked like. Very peaceful. It's also very hot. That's nothing has changed with that. One more look how it looks on the beach from the fence, as you see. There is the bar restaurant open for takeaway, obviously only because the restaurants are open, but only for takeaway. Basically you cannot just dine inside, but takeaway in the box is no problem. The waiters waiting for the customers. Some people have a still job who work in the restaurants, but people who used to have a business on the beach over here, as you see, they are less fortunate. That's including Erika and everyone who I mentioned on my vlog already since last 1.5 years, doing the vlogs in Bali. Simply that's how it looks like. Here is some construction. So the construction people are lucky, they have a job, and for them even maybe easier because it's not much traffic around, so they don't need to avoid the cars and the motorbikes everywhere around. Is that the positive side of this, what's happened? But yeah, many restaurants also who have like potentially they don't see a business to having takeaway, like this one pavilion is just simply closed, because many restaurants they are just based off the people who are sit in, right? Not all restaurants will survive just doing takeaways, so for some of them it's just better to close and
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Legian Seminyak 66 Seminyak. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Stay safe And then yeah.
We're gonna continue our vlogs trying to update you on the situation, how it is. So see you tomorrow. Take care.